chat. It's gonna be like a mini Burger King mukbang. For me, I ain't posted a minute, so yeah, it's not gonna be a long video. It's just gonna be like a mini Burger King mukbang, like where I was at, like what I've been doing, what I have to, where I've been at and stuff. I set this up right now. Let me take out the burger. Set y'all up. I guess I'm gonna have to set y'all up like this. Feel me? But we got the grilled flame burger. Grilled flame burger right here. I got like 3 burgers too. So we got the grilled flame burger. It's looking like delicious. Like, can y'all see that? Take some of this lettuce out. We finna dig in. 3, 2, 1. I don't even know how to. I don't even know how to. I don't even know how to attack it. Oh my god. What did I do with the straw? Oh, straw right here. So where I've been at, I just been all over the place, for real. I just been all over the place, for real. Nah, all seriousness though. Bro, did I get my drink right? Hold on. Bro. They must have not had strawberry lemonade because I ordered high C strawberry lemonade. This is regular lemonade. Still good though. Well, I've been, ain't gonna lie. My mental health hasn't been the best. That's why I haven't been posting for real. My mental health still really not the best. I just came to show y'all. I just felt like recording tonight with me eating. And yeah, that's really it. So much better than McDonald's, bro. I never even had McDonald's for real. I had McDonald's before, but I haven't ate it in like 2 to 3 years. Just because like all the like assumptions about it. I need to turn on the video. Bro.
also here.
And the
Choose
crowd.
Chrome to share tabs across devices.
When I say I got 3 burgers, I mean that. I got this, and I think 2. I don't know what their name is. Let me see.
Last episode, man, it was one day my little brother was having a little gender reveal, and
I got this burger and 2 mini Whoppers, Juniors. Got some fries too for me. Some slight, bro, to get me through the night for me. These fries good. I never had Burger King fries. That's good. Well, that's the end of this mukbang. Told y'all it was gonna be a short video. I don't know if I'm gonna edit this video or not, but yeah. I don't know when y'all gonna see me again, but it is gonna be soon. No later than a month. No later than a month. But yeah, see you guys.